Welcome to this yoga practice for when your food is cooking. I just thought I'd put this little practice together when it's just something that you just need to dip into whilst you haven't really got that much time. I have just had a quick shower, washed my hair and popped on some comfortable clothes for this practice. So come to join me on the mat. You're not going to need any props for this unless you want to bring some blocks. If you've got them, you might want them, or pillow or something like that. So here I am with Heidi. So come to cross-legged position. I'm using a meditation cushion to sit on just to lift my hips up. And I'm just going to drop my chin to my chest and let my head hang heavy. So palms on my knees, just allowing any tension in the back of the neck to completely relax. It's quite good after a long day, maybe sat at the computer all day. And bring your head back to center and just take it to the left, breathing in. Keep your eyes closed so you can really focus on your breath and really focus on where you're feeling any niggles, any tension, and the right side of the neck. Now just take your chin down towards your shoulder blade. Notice how that feels. Breathing in and breathing out. Allowing the shoulders to be heavy, tongue in the mouth to be relaxed. Bring yourself back to neutral, and then we'll turn over to our right side now. Noticing how this feels different from the other side. Focus your attention on relaxing your face, your forehead, shoulders, elbows, wrists. Drop your chin down towards your right shoulder. Notice how that feels in the left side of your neck. Breathing in and breathing out. Bringing your head back up to center now. Taking your nose up towards the ceiling for a nice stretch in the front of the neck, in the clavicle area of the chest, shoulders down, away from the ears. Relaxing that tension, let it just melt and let go. And then bring your head back to center, just moving side to side, one way, the other way, easing out any knots, any kinks, and dropping chin to chest, coming round one way, looking up, going to the other side, chin to chest. So just do this slowly, mindfully. There's no rush. Use your eyes rather than your nose to move. Moving with your eyes. Allow allowing that to move your head. Other side, chin to chest, going the other way, looking up to the side, looking down. Pausing where you feel any niggles, any tension, backing off if there's anything painful. And then press your hands into your knees, come forward, really press those hands into the knees, drawing your shoulder blades back, release your head, allowing that tension to really release from your back, shoulders, from your neck. Let the head be heavy, drawing those shoulders back, really pressing into the palms, using your own body weight to release that tension. Now let's come round in some circles, so pressing into the arms, bending one elbow, bending the other. So you're coming round, so moving with your shoulders now. So your shoulder is what's giving you the circle, making that big circle with your shoulder. Let's go the other way. Shoulders coming forward and then back. And then come back to center. Release any props under your seat if you've got any. And then you're going to come down onto your back, hug your knees into your chest. And just take a moment here. And then take a hold of your right knee, drop your left foot down onto the ground, and just start to make some circles with the knee. So you're circling with the knee, but this is opening out your hip, your right hip, keeping the left hip down on the ground. Other side, left knee up, circling with your left knee. Bring some movement into the left hip. Good if you've been sat down all day. And then from here, take your right ankle across your left knee. Bring your right arm through, interlace the fingers behind, and extend your left leg up. Keep both feet flexed. This will support your knee. And breathe. So you want your shoulder blades firmly planted on the ground, hips heavy, bringing a nice stretch in the hamstrings, the glutes. Relax. And then just twist over to the left. So your left leg goes down, right foot comes over to the right side. If you want a deeper stretch, take that right arm above your head and breathe. And then unwind the legs, bringing your knees back in for a gentle hug. Maybe just move them round, releasing any tension. Left ankle over right knee, thread through, extend that right leg up, flex the feet, and let gravity do the work on your left hip. Relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the hips. Imagine someone's drawing that left knee away from you in space. And release, drop the right foot down, take the left foot over for a twist. And then extend that left arm away from you. To deepen the twist, take it above your head. So you should start to feel a nice stretch in the left side of the body, from the fingertips all the way down through the armpit, down the side to the waist, into the hip area. Breathing in and breathing out. And unwind, draw the knees into the chest, circle the knees, releasing any tension in the lower back. Plant the feet down, knock the knees in together so your feet are as wide as the yoga mat now. Hands on your belly. Just do a few rounds of belly breathing, just to calm the nervous system as you're breathing in and breathing out. And then come into happy baby. Rock yourself back and forth a few times until you get your momentum to come up. And that's it. Enjoy your dinner. Namaste.